Hi friends, welcome back to Ecom Clips with another tutorial for Shopify. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new product template and how you can assign them to your product. So first thing first, why you need a separate template for specific items? Why we can't add all the products in the same product layouts? Because different product need different layouts. Maybe a product that you want to offer with customized options. Maybe some gift wrap you want to share with that specific product. So for those type of product, you have to segregate and create new product templates. And in this video, we'll show you how you can do it easily. So first thing first, why you need to create a different layout for product pages? Maybe every product's specifications are not the same, and you might need to offer something specific for a specific item. And it also help you for the branding, for more visibility and conversions. So let's dive into the screen and I'll show you how you can create the product template at the beginning. So first thing first, you can see our Shopify backend and go to the online theme and then click on customize. So now on the top drop down, click on products, and here you can see all the product templates. And if you want to create a new one, just click on create template here, and from here you can name it like today I would like to create a new template for buy one get one, and basically I have a coupon that I want to showcase. So for this buy one get one, my main target is to add a specific section, a specific blog to share the code, because on Shopify, if you go to the discount section, you can create the discounts like buy one get one or maybe buy one get 50%, but for the coupon that needs to be shared on the product page, otherwise customer don't know what is the code running on. Okay, so I'm creating buy one get one as the name, and based on means if you select any of these, it will automatically copy that product layout. So from now you can select from any of them if you have already created more than one product template, but if you didn't, you will see the default product. Okay, so let me go through that and create template. So here you can see we have already created the template, and from here I want to add a specific section like the discount one I said. So I'm trying to find a specific section where I can add that. Okay, so I think after the title, it is a better option to share the code here. So I'm selecting a specific, let me go through the offer, and on the offer section you can see a lot of options. I'm just trying to show you, so you can customize at your way like you want for a specific branding you have, but from now I'm just sharing how you can do it, but the design is up to you. Okay, so now you can see that what I want to change on this layout is showing. So next step is to save this one. So once I'm saving it, the template is already created, and now I need to go to the product and find the specific item where I want to change the template for. So this can be done in two ways. One is manual, another one is bulk upload. So for the manual one, you need to go to the products, and then from these products you need to go to the specific item where you want the changes. So from here if you go down, you will see the templates, and from here if I click on the template I want to show, so I already created one, so I have already applied the template. Now just I need to click on save, and if I click open view, we can see that option that I want to show, like apply buy one get one code at checkout, is showing on this template. So that's how easily you can brand your product a specific way you want. And if you want to create many product templates, then you can follow our ways. Okay, and I think this video helped you, and if you want to do it manually, you can download the product template file, and on the template section you will add the template name and upload the file again, and that's how you can do it on a bulk way. Okay, so I think this video helped you a lot, and if yes, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It encourages us to create more specific video on a niche. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day. Cheers.